Hello. Welcome to another video here at JLC3DP about 3D modeling and printing. Today we will continue the development of our coin collector project through a classification system, and you will learn how to create these 5 coin collecting elements that will be responsible for receiving and storing our coins. From now on, come with me to our Projects tab, and we will start designing each piece from the last piece we finished. Let's get started. First, we will draw the first coin collector, which is for the smallest coin, which is the dime. Click here and select this side so we can start drawing. Remember that the dimensions we are using are for the Brazilian coins we are using as reference, in your case. Adapt this project to the measurements of your country's currency. Now, select the Circle tool and draw a circle with a diameter of 23.4 millimeters. Then, finalize the sketch and go back to the isometric view. Select the Extrude tool and apply a value of 67 millimeters. Next, you need to create a new sketch, and now you will select this face. With the face selected, select the Circle tool and draw a circle with a diameter of 26.4 millimeters. Click Finish, and now you will use the Extrude tool. Select the entire circle and now apply a value of 9 millimeters, then you will rotate your piece. And will apply a chamfer worth 1.5 millimeters. After applying the chamfer, return to the isometric view. Create a sketch on this face. And now you're going to create a new circle with a diameter of 23.4 millimeters. Finish the sketch and now apply an extrusion with a value of -4 to remove material. Then create a new sketch on that face, and now with the Circle tool, creates a circle with a diameter of 21.9 millimeters. Finish the sketch, and now you will use the Extrude tool. Select this circle and set a cut value of -70. Finally, select this face. Select the Line tool. Click on this tangent point and draw a line and put it in construction line mode. Now, with the Rectangle tool, you will select a rectangle with a center, and at the midpoint you will create a rectangle with a length of 30 millimeters and a width of 1.5. After creation, finish the sketch and now go back to this view. Select the Extrude tool and apply a cut to the entire piece. This structure of this cut will serve to facilitate the connection of this piece with the hole where we will fit it, in such a way that it can enter and apply a certain pressure through this cut on the inside and ensure that it is completely fixed in place. Next, click on the letter A to enter appearance mode. Select this red material and apply it to your piece. That's it. Now our next step is to select this piece. With the Move tool you will position this piece through points. Click CTRL. Select this point. And now we will position it in its place. Now apply a value of 9 millimeters, and that's it. Our piece is positioned in its desired location. Let's do this same procedure for the next coin collectors. For our next coin collector, we will perform the same procedure, and now we will change the name of this body and we will put the name of our currency to make it easier to identify. Next, we will carry out the same procedures we did previously, and we will now draw the collector of the Brazilian 5-cent coin. You will create a circle with a diameter of 25.4. Click OK, and now you will apply a 67 mm extrusion. With the extrusion apply, you will select the sketch tool, select this plane. And now you're going to draw a circle with dimensions of 28.4. Now finish the sketch and go back to the isometric view. Using the extrude tool, apply an extrusion with a value of 9 mm. Then, you will apply a chamfer at that point. Apply a 1.5 chamfer. Now you will, through the sketch tool, select this plane. Select the circle tool and draw a circle with a diameter value of 25.4. Now you need to finalize the sketch. Select the extrude tool and apply a value of -4 for cut. Do the same procedure by clicking on Sketch again, and now you will select this face. Create a circle with a diameter of 24 mm. Finalize the sketch. And now you will select the extrude tool and apply a cut value of less than 70 mm. See the result. Now, to finish. We will make the cut to make this structure more malleable, so that it can fit into the whole structure and facilitate its fixation. Click on Line. Construction Line Mode. Click on this tangent point. Exit Line Mode and select the Rectangle tool. And here you will draw a rectangle with a center with the same value used previously of 1.5 by 30 mm. Now you will finish the sketch. Done. Just select the extrusion tool. Select your entire sketch and apply the crop. Finally, access the appearance environment. Apply the material. And now we will position this piece in its place with the Move tool. You will click on Movement by Points. Click Ctrl and click on this point, and now we will move our part to its fixing location. Apply the value of 9 mm, and that's it. Our part is now positioned in its assembly location. Let's change your name. Done. We have finished drawing the second coin collector. Now we will move on to the third collector. Following the same procedure and measurements for the next coin. Now we will carry out the same procedure for the Brazilian 50-cent coin. Create a new sketch. Now select this plane, and now you will use the Circle tool. Draw a circle with 28 mm and now finish the sketch. Apply an extrusion with a value of 67 mm and then select this top face and draw a circle with a diameter of 31 mm. After applying the circle design, select the Extrude tool and apply a value of 9 mm, then apply a chamfer with a point value of 5 mm. Go back to the isometric view, select this face with the Sketch tool, and create a sketch on this face. And now you will draw a circle with a diameter of 28 mm. Finish the sketch and apply an extrusion with a value of -4 mm. Again, create a sketch. Now select this face. And here you will draw a circle with the value of 26.50 mm. Now, Finish and select that circle. Using the tool and apply the value of -70 to remove material. Finally, we will perform the same procedure as in the last drawing. Select this face and now we will create the cut to facilitate the fixing of our piece to the structure. Use Align. In construction mode. And now with a rectangle tool with the center. You will create a rectangle with a 0.5 mm wide by 30 mm long. Finalize the sketch. Select the Extrude tool. And now apply a cut. See how our piece turned out. Now apply a material. And then we will position this piece in your place. Select the Move by Point option, click CTRL, select the point. And now, click CTRL and select this point. Done. Make a free movement, and now apply a value of 9 mm. And here is our third coin collector. See how the result looks so far. With the construction and modeling of these 3 coin collectors. Now let's do the same procedure for the 25-cent coin. First I'm going to change the name of this element, and I'm going to put the name referring to its coin. Next we will create the collector structure for the quarter. Select the Circle tool and now you will create a circle with the value of 28.4 mm. After creation, finish, and with the Extrude tool, you will apply a value of 67 mm. Select the Sketch tool and select this face and now you will create a circle with the value of 31.4 mm. Next, you will finalize the sketch. Select the Extrude tool and now apply an extrusion with a value of 9 mm. Again, select the Sketch tool. And now you will apply a chamfer with the value of 1.5. Now go back to the isometric view. Select this sketch on this face and here you will create a new circle with a diameter of 28.4 mm. Finalize the sketch. And now select this element and apply an extrusion with the value of -4, again, with the Sketch Creation tool. Select face. And you will draw a new circle with the value of 27 mm. With this circle drawn, you will now apply an extrusion with a value of -70 for material removal. And to finish again, select Sketch. Align tool. You will create a construction line. For us to make a cut in the structure of this piece, click on this tangent point. Select the Rectangle tool, exit the construction line mode, select Rectangle with center and you will put a value of 1.5 by 30 mm long and see the result. Click Finish and now you will use the Extrude tool to make a cut in your part. Finish the piece and now do two things. Apply the material. Select the part. And we will move it to its place of assembly. Done. Our part is positioned in its assembly location. And now we will draw our last collector, which refers to the one real coin. Before we draw the last collector, let's change the name of this body. Done. Now we will begin the process of designing the last collector. And now we will make the last coin collector for the 1 real coins. Select this face, create a sketch, and now with the circle tool, you will draw a circle with the postponement of 31.85 millimeters. Finish the sketch design, and now with the extrude tool, you will select and apply an extrusion with the value of 67 millimeters. Next, you must create a new sketch by selecting that face, and now you will create a new circle with a diameter of 35 millimeters. Then, finish the sketch and apply an extrusion again to the created sketch. Put a value of 9 millimeters, and now we will create a chamfer. Set the value to 1.5 millimeters. Then you must select that top face. And you will create a circle with a diameter of 32 millimeters. Finalize the sketch. And now with the extrude tool, you will select this circle and apply a value of -4 to do the material removal. Again, create a sketch on this face and create a new circle. Now you will use a diameter of 30.4 to 5. With this sketch created, finalize the sketch. Select the extrude tool and now apply a value of less than 70 millimeters. Finally, we'll apply a crop, so select this face. Select the line tool, construction line mode, and on the tangent you will draw a line. Now you will draw a rectangle with the center, with the value of 1.5 by 30 millimeters. And to finish, we will apply the cut that you have already made several times using the extrude tool. With the crop apply, enter appearance mode. Apply the material. And finally, position the piece in its desired location. Select movement by points, click on that point. And finally, move the piece to its desired location. There you go, see the result. Notice that we now have all the coin collectors positioned in their proper places, and now we have finished the drawing. The complete modeling of all the collectors, and, in the next video, we will do the entire process of designing the base for all the collectors. If you are enjoying learning modeling with us, also get to know our 3D printing service is you can purchase your parts from a value of $0.3. A very affordable price to help you print any piece with manufacturing and printing quality. Industrial 3D. Get to know JLC3DP now and receive coupons that we make available here in the description of this video. We'll be waiting for you in the next video.